how to use a virtual background on Zoom. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use a virtual background on Zoom in super easy way. So let's dive right in. First open the Zoom application on your desktop, and then once you open it, you can either join a meeting or start a new one. I'm going to tap on new meeting to get started, and then now look for the background option, tap on it, and there you'll see various virtual backgrounds. You can see all the backgrounds and choose the one that you like the most. You can even choose avatars, and you can even choose video filters. And that's it. That's how you can pick any background you like on Zoom call. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.